If you have a painting service related business or a home renovation types of business, in these videos only for you. In these videos I am sharing with you how do you set up Google search campaign for painting services. So let's start this video. Right now I'm still in my Google Sheet. Here I analysis before keyword, headline, description, negative keyword, callout extension as well as site link extension. I analysis before and I put here all everything. And for creating, at first we need to go our Google Ads account and go to the create section and go to the campaign. Our main objective leads because it's a service oriented business, and I click to leads, and our main goals is WhatsApp call. That's why I put here like contact and put here phone call leads and click to continue. And our campaign types is search, uh, and that means people search on Google, they're showing our ads. And I select website visit and click to continue, and I put her name like lead search campaign, and put her date like 12/7/2025, and I click to continue and start new. Our bidding is I want to put maximize conversion because I have enough data, and I using as well as target CPA for after few days. And I don't use bid for new customers only, and then click to next. I want to run this campaign for Singapore whole area, and I used to like this section. If I use this section, this ads showing whole world. And I don't showing my ads for Google Partner Networks because it's not profitable for me. I untick this, and this is not a political ads, and I not schedule my ads. This ads running will 24 hours and 7 days week. Click to next, and I don't use IMAX, and click to next. I skip it, and I put here my all researching keyword. So you see here is some more long tail keywords, commercial keywords, navigational keywords, as well as all keywords are mixing. And I put here the final URL, and I put here the display path based painting, and I need to put here like 15 headlines and 4 description, and I select at first 15 headline section. The section selected is done, and I just copy here on by on and paste here, copy as well it and paste here. For Google search ads perspective, this headline description is so important because people when searching on Google, they're showing this headline and description, not videos, not huge images. They're showing this headline and description. That's why we need to this more eye-catching, more effective, for increase our CTR. Copy it, paste here. Left just 2, and using just contact now at last. And the on headline I put here like a keyword insertion. See here I put here based, then go to the keyword insertion, then I use painting services, and I apply it. It's very good for search campaign. and I put here also the description. I use here 4 description and 15 headline, and I use here some image extension. I go to the add image and go to the asset library. Hmm. You see here I use this painting image, this painting image, this painting image also, and click to select to ratio, and I use it also. Click to save. The images is done, and I put here the business name renovations.com, and I put here my researching site link extension, callout extension. I go to the site link, put here the first site link, put here site link text, and site link description is 35 characters need. Also put it and paste here, put the URL, and I put here the site link text, site link description also, and put it. I using here like 3 to 5 site link. It's enough, and I click to create. Site link callout extension is more important for in increasing our like conversion rate. And if I go to the message extension, we use on message extension. It's already created, so I select it and paste it. It's very simple. And if I go to the callout extension, I put here my selected here 5 callout extension, copy it and paste here also the site link extension. And I click to save and click to apply. The site link extension is already done. So if I go to the my preview ads, like what types are ads is showing, you see here people. If I go to the this is right now phone preview, people see these types phone. We see here I use image, it will be showing the ads under, it's showing that, and this calls extension, this message extension, and I click it, and I go to the save and go to the next, and I click to set the custom budget, like I use here $30 per day, 30 Singaporean dollar. I click to next. Right now Google is checking errors, like some error or not the error. And right now if I go to the publish campaign, the ads will be published, but right now don't need it because I have running already campaign. But our negative campaign purpose, we need to publish this campaign, then we add a negative campaign. So no problem, I will showing it practically. I go to a campaign, like I go to this campaign and go to the keyword section and go to the negative keyword and go to the plus icon and I just copy here all negative keyword and put here, and if I click to save, the negative keywords will be added. So it's very simple. So yeah, that's it for today. If you need any question or need any help, please contact with me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.